The rise of 3D printing technology has captivated audiences for years, but recently, a new take on this revolutionary tech has been making waves: the 3D printing pen. Unlike traditional 3D printers, which are bulky, expensive, and complex, 3D printing pens bring the power of three-dimensional creation to the fingertips of hobbyists, artists, students, and creators. This affordable, easy-to-use tool has sparked immense interest on social media, with creators sharing their intricate designs, DIY projects, and tips for using the pen. But what exactly is a 3D printing pen? And why is it blowing up on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube? So in this video, we will discuss the why this 3D printing pen is blowing up on social media. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. 3D printing pen. At its core, a 3D printing pen is a handheld device that works similarly to a glue gun. When activated, it heats a plastic filament inside the pen, which then extrudes as a thin, melted strand that quickly hardens when exposed to air. This process allows users to draw in mid-air, creating three-dimensional shapes and structures by building layer upon layer. Available in various models and price ranges, these pens are compact, versatile, and user-friendly, making them accessible to a broad audience. Why the buzz? Top reasons for social media popularity: easy accessibility and affordability. Traditional 3D printers can be costly and require a steep learning curve, making them impractical for casual creators. 3D printing pens, on the other hand, are affordable, with basic models starting at around $30. This affordability makes it easy for beginners to dive into 3D creation without a significant upfront investment. Social media influencers and everyday users are drawn to the pen's accessibility and cost-effectiveness, sharing their experiences and creations, which fuels further interest. Mention how some 3D pens are specifically designed to cater to different age groups, such as the Doodler Start Essentials 3D pen, which is ideal for kids and beginners. User-friendly design and instant results. One of the key reasons the 3D printing pen has captured social media attention is its user-friendly design. Unlike software-driven 3D printers, 3D pens require a minimal setup. Users simply plug in, load the filament, and start drawing. This simplicity appeals to a wide range of users, from young students to professional artists. Videos showcasing quick and stunning creations get shared rapidly, amplifying the pen's popularity online. You don't need to be an expert to create beautiful 3D art. Social media creators love showcasing time-lapse projects where complex designs are made in just a few minutes. This instant gratification creates a sense of wonder that keeps viewers coming back for more. Limitless creative potential. Artists and DIY enthusiasts are particularly thrilled with the endless creative possibilities the pen offers. From crafting small figurines and jewelry to creating custom phone cases and accessories, the 3D printing pen allows users to make unique, intricate items. Many social media users post tutorials and showcase their creations, from mini sculptures to elaborate designs, inspiring others to try the pen for themselves. Many creators have turned this pen into a hobby, creating elaborate sculptures, miniature cities, or even custom gifts for loved ones. The beauty of the pen is that you can personalize nearly any object, making it the perfect gift-giving tool. Perfect for DIY and customization projects. Customization is a significant trend on social media, and 3D printing pens are perfect for personalizing items. DIY communities on platforms like Pinterest and Instagram have embraced the pen as a tool to transform everyday items into unique pieces of art. Some people use it to revamp phone cases, while others craft bespoke holiday decorations or unique desk accessories. This flexibility enhances the appeal and prompts countless tutorials, spreading the trend further. Educational applications and STEM learning. The educational sector has recognized the value of 3D printing pens for STEM learning. Teachers and parents see the pen as a tool that fosters creativity, problem-solving, and spatial understanding, aligning with STEM goals. Social media is filled with videos of educators using 3D pens to engage students in interactive projects, helping them learn principles of geometry, physics, and engineering. These educational posts appeal to a wide audience and help establish the pen's role as a fun learning tool. Social media platforms and 3D printing pen trends. TikTok, viral short-form creativity. TikTok's fast-paced video format is ideal for showing quick projects, tips, and challenges using the 3D pen. Viral trends on the platform often involve creators showcasing time-lapse videos of them creating intricate structures or everyday items with the pen. Some TikTok users run challenges, such as creating objects without any prior sketch, which generates excitement and engages viewers to attempt their own versions. TikTok creators frequently post challenges where they have to make a project in under 30 minutes or create something entirely from scratch. These challenges often involve the entire TikTok community getting involved, fueling the viral sensation. Instagram, art and DIY showcases. Instagram is home to a vibrant DIY and art community that shares photos and videos of their 3D pen projects. Influencers and hobbyists use Instagram's platform to showcase finished products and process shots, often with hashtags like hashtag 3DPenArt, hashtag DIY projects, and hashtag creative tech. The aesthetics of these projects draw art enthusiasts and inspire further experimentation with the pen. Instagram's visual appeal and hashtags like hashtag 3Dart and hashtag crafting encourage collaboration among artists, making it a great platform for discovering new techniques and design inspiration. YouTube, tutorials and long-form content. YouTube is an ideal platform for in-depth tutorials and project walkthroughs. Creators upload videos explaining how to use a 3D printing pen, offering beginner tips and sharing ideas for advanced projects. Influencers often collaborate with brands, reviewing different models and explaining filament types, techniques, and safety tips. These videos help demystify the tool, making it accessible to newcomers. Many popular YouTube channels now feature 3D pen tutorials, where creators share detailed step-by-step guides for users of all skill levels. Whether you're just starting or looking for advanced tips, there's something for everyone. Popular 3D printing pen models. Several models are trending due to their ease of use and reliable quality. Popular brands such as MYT 3D and 3Doodler offer options for beginners and advanced users alike. Some models come with adjustable temperature settings, while others include different filament types like PLA, ABS, and even flexible filaments for more creative possibilities. MYT 3D Professional 3D Pen. This model is a favorite due to its adjustable temperature settings and compatibility with various filaments. 3Doodler Start Essentials 3D Pen Set. Designed with beginners in mind, this model is child-friendly and safe, using a low-temperature filament that's perfect for younger users. Scribbler 3D Pen. This pen offers great versatility with its adjustable speed and temperature controls, ideal for detailed work. Influencer-driven trends and challenges. Social media influencers have played a massive role in the 3D printing pen's popularity. By setting creative challenges, such as drawing popular characters or creating a specific item under time constraints, influencers encourage viewers to get their own pens and join in. These challenges not only boost the pen's visibility, but also create a sense of community among fans and creators. These challenges often create a sense of community and friendly competition, making it fun for creators to showcase their skills, no matter their experience level. Future of 3D printing pens. As technology advances, the future of 3D printing pens looks promising. New developments may lead to pens with finer precision, a wider range of filament materials, and even wireless models. These advancements could open up even more creative possibilities, drawing a larger audience and solidifying the pen's place in both the art and tech communities. There's speculation that upcoming pens will feature enhanced features like integrated apps for easier design or smart temperature controls that will make the user experience even more seamless and intuitive. The 3D printing pen has carved out its own niche in the tech and DIY worlds by blending creativity, accessibility, and educational value. Its viral success on social media is a testament to the power of innovation meeting simplicity. With more people sharing their projects and tips online, this tool continues to inspire a wave of creativity that shows no sign of slowing down. As new features emerge and more people experience its possibilities, the 3D printing pen is likely to remain a social media sensation, empowering a generation of creators to bring their ideas to life in 3 dimensions. Thank you, guys, for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.